Hi, I'm Tanya Hendrix. What is estate plan anyway? I often talk about estate planning, and I take it for granted that everybody knows what I'm talking about when I say estate planning, but you may not. And so, an estate plan is a comprehensive, well, the American Bar Association says, is a comprehensive set of documents and strategies to manage your assets upon your death and while you're living. An estate plan to me is that strategy. It is what happens to my assets? What happens to those who I love if something happens to me? And, when I say if, we're all going to die. It's the reality. But then what if we're in a bad car accident? What if we have some freakish accident that happens and we're not able to manage our own affairs, or we're stuck in a hospital for a period of time? An estate plan, when properly done, is going to have someone who can take care of those things for you, can make sure your bills are getting paid, can make sure your utilities are getting paid, can make some medical decisions for you, can talk to the insurance companies for you. And yes, upon your death, having an estate plan in place manages your assets. So who is going to be in charge of your estate? Who's going to make sure that your bank account is closed out and the money distributed to where you want it to go? Who's going to make sure your vehicle is sold or taken care of or transfer title? And who's going to be the one who sells your house or whatever it is you want done with that? But also, if you have minor children, having an estate plan is critical because it also gives you the ability to say, this is who I want to raise my children if something happens to me. And maybe even this is who I don't want to raise my children if something happens to me. So an estate plan is a set of documents, but it is, to me, more of a strategy to take care of the people who you love. As an estate planning attorney in Huntsville, I start with people, not papers. So for me, estate planning is not about paperwork. It's not about the documents. That is an essential part of it. But estate planning is more about the people who you love and making sure we develop the correct strategy to take care of those people who you love so that you and they can have peace of mind, whether you've passed away or you're not able to take care of your own affairs. I'm Tanya Hendrix, Huntsville Estate Planning Lawyer. And if you need help in Huntsville, so maybe you're like, I need an estate planning attorney near me and I'm in Huntsville, Alabama, you can give me a call. Tanya Hendrix, Huntsville Estate Planning Lawyer.